Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.1 question number 8. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? Let us find time taken by Michael. Here we are finding time time taken time taken by Michael. Time taken by Michael is 7 by 12 hours. 7 by 12 7 by 12 hour. And time taken by Vaibhav, time taken by Vaibhav, that is V A I B H A V. Time taken by Vaibhav is 3 by 4 hour. 3 by 4 hour. Right? Now who worked longer? Right? Since the denominator is not same, we cannot say who worked longer. Therefore, we make the denominator same. Suppose this is the time taken by Michael, that is M, and time taken by Vaibhav is V. M, Michael take 3 by 12 hours, 3 by 12 hours, and Vaibhav take 3 by 4 hours. That means we have to make the denominator same to get which one is larger. Michael 7 by 12, not 3 by 12, it is 7 by 12. Let us rub this one. This is actually 7 by 12, not 3. This is 7 by 12, and this is 3 by 4 hour. Since the denominator is not same, we cannot say which one is greater, right? First, we have to make the denominator same. That means you have to take the LCM of 12 and 4. Find the LCM of 12 and 4. Let us take the LCM of 12 and 4. We find the LCM of 12 and 4. There is 2. 2 6 is 12, and 2 2 is 4. Again, we divide it by 2. That is 2. 2 3 is 6, and 2 1 is 2. Right? Therefore, LCM is equal to LCM. If you multiply all the numbers, there is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4 into 3 is 12. LCM is 12. Right? Therefore, the denominator here is 12. That is, if we divide 12 by 12, we are getting 1. That means you have to multiply numerator and denominator both by 1. In this case, that is 7 into 1, 7 into 1, and 12 into 1. 12 into 1. That is, we are getting 7 by 12. 7 by 12. And in the case of Vaibhav, the denominator is 4. Therefore, divide 12 by 4. 12 divided by 4. That comes to 3. That means you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. If we multiply the numerator and denominator by 3, we are getting 3 into 3, and it is 4 into 3. 4 into 3. That is, it is 9 by 12. 9 by 12. Right? 9 by 12 hours, and it is 7 by 12 hours. From here, if we compare the time taken by Michael and Vaibhav, we are finding that the denominator is same. Therefore, Vaibhav worked for 9 by 12 hours and Michael worked for 7 by 12 hours. Therefore, this is greater. 9 by 12 is greater than 7 by 12. That means Vaibhav. Who worked longer? Vaibhav worked longer than Michael. So we can say that Vaibhav V AI BH Vaibhav worked longer. Vaibhav worked longer than Michael. Right? Now the next question is by what fraction? Right? That means the time taken by Vaibhav is greater than the time taken by Michael. Therefore, we have to subtract this. Let us subtract this one. That is 9 by 12. By what fraction was it longer? That is, you have to subtract it. That is 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. 7 by 12. Denominator is same. Therefore, LCM is 12. LCM is 12. It is 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. That is 2 by 12. That is 2 by 12. And we change into lowest term. That is 2 1 is 2 and 2 6 is 12. That is 1 by 6 hour. 1 by 6 hour. What is the question? By what fraction was it longer? It was longer by 1 by 6 hour. Therefore, the answer is it was longer. It was longer. It was longer by 1 by 6 hour. 1 by 6 hour. Right? This is the solution of question number 8 of exercise 2.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.